Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a meal prep with kind of a mixed meal because I wanted to change up what I'm eating for the week. So we're going to make rice this week, not quinoa. And if you guys can see, I have some muffins. This is going to be breakfast. I'm meal prepping my breakfast actually for this week because I'm going to be extra busy. And these are whole wheat muffins. I also got some tortilla because we're going to make a few wraps. And I got these from Whole Foods, not Trader Joe. And then we're going to get everything else we need, like Roman lettuce, sour cream, some honey for the sauces, and I got coconut aminos for this week. I'm excited to try it. Also, I'm going to have my bacon, my tomatoes, and we have chicken breasts, which I'm going to make a couple of these. And I love these because they're in individual packs, so you don't have to make all of them because I'm only using a few. So let's get started. First guys, we're going to make breakfast, which is just bacon, eggs, and muffins. And all we're going to do is make some scrambled eggs, bake those bacon to get all the grease out, and we're going to just make few muffins. So what I'm doing is just adding some eggs, scrambled eggs. I'm adding bacon bits, just a few pieces of the bacons, not a whole bunch. And I'm adding pieces of cheese, which is just sliced cheese I'm breaking up. And all we're going to do is wrap these. So the fun thing about wrapping these is you can make all your breakfast sandwiches, wrap them, and store them. And I'm going to store these all in bags. I'm putting 3 on the top of the freezer and keeping 3 to start, and then I'm going to eat them as the week go by and defrost them. So next guys, we're going to make some BLT wraps, and we're just making a simple sauce with some aminos, oils, honey, and seasoning. And all you're going to do is create this little sauce with a little bit of mustard. We're going to marinate this for 24 hours. So after you mix it, you take those chicken breasts, dip them, add a little bit of lemon, and all you do is store this. And after the 24 hours is up, you're going to take these out, put them in a pan, cook them, and you're going to make your wraps. Now for my BLT wrap guys, I'm using sour cream, romaine lettuce, red onions, tomatoes, and as I told you guys, I'm also adding my pieces of chickens, and we're going to add our bacon bits and cheese. So all you do is wrap this up, you eat it, and you're good. And I'm making a couple to eat. And all you do is store it. You can eat it right away, or you can store it. I suggest you save the lettuce and tomato and onions for when you're eating it, like I did in the little storage box. And the last thing guys I'm making is some rice. All you do is add your rice and seasoning. Make some sauces for your shrimp. I'm using coconut oil. You mix it all in there. You cook this guy. After it's all cooked, you're ready to store it. And I'm just adding my rice on one side, and I'm adding my shrimp on the other side to actually store it in the fridge to freeze these because I'm not going to eat them right away. So that's it guys. Fun meal prep, easy to do. Just mix and match everything so you'll be ready to go for the weeks. If you guys have any suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, go over and watch my last video.